Hi everyone, for these perfect eggs made in the microwave, this is how I make them. Start by wetting a bowl, then adding your egg, and beating at least until the yolk is broken. Although your microwave oven may vary, for mine, with a power output of 1200 watts, I find what works best is to reduce the power to 50% and time the cook for about a minute. While we wait, let's discuss a few things. Any of these other bowls would have worked. The main thing is that it has a slick, smooth surface. You'll notice that we didn't add any oil, so all you'll taste is the true egg, to which you can add any of your favorite condiments. And what we get is a perfectly cooked egg. I hope this helps, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.